Everyone says this train ride is one of the most beautiful in Vietnam, so obviously I had to see it for myself. We're heading to Hue, about 2 hours from Da Nang in Vietnam, to celebrate my husband's birthday. But honestly, guys, I also just needed a break. Some quiet, some space to think. So, yeah, let's see if the view lives up to the hype, and also come with me, guys, to enjoy this weekend. Please don't ask me what I'm doing. I was just so excited to get on this train, so I don't even know what I was doing, guys. Don't judge me.
người vượt qua đại lòng hoặc người vượt gói xây xeo tháng năm người Việt Nam ra đâu mất đen hào hứng phấn khích như cánh Việt Nam ơi quê hương ta ơi hẹn lúa chim bằng hương ngàn trời tiếng hát.
So, guys, we're in Hue. We just arrived, and we're just at this little restaurant enjoying the food. It's good. Can I taste it?
Taste what?
Yeah, smoothie.
Why?
So we got to the Airbnb and freshened up, and guys, the road to the Airbnb was so bad. Like, there were rocks everywhere. It wasn't easy for the Grab driver that was bringing us. But anyhow, we got to the Airbnb and we freshened up and we started our day by painting, guys. Hi guys, so as you guys can see, I'm painting, and I just wish you guys would be here right now because it's such a beautiful view. I'm not really a big fan of like nature because of like the animals and stuff, but this is very peaceful. Let me show you guys how the scenery is beautiful. I would definitely recommend, like, if you ever have time or you just need to disconnect or you feel like you're kind of losing yourself, I would definitely recommend to take the time, either a weekend or like whatever it is, like a day or 2 days or even a week, for you to be able just to experience like a day or 2 or 3 or 5 in nature. It really makes you have to stay with yourself and kind of think about all the things that you have to think about and kind of figure out all the things that you have to figure out about yourself. And I think this would really help anybody that's suffering from burnout, depression, whatever it is, whatever you're going through. Take the time to be by yourself or with somebody that you love and isolate yourself for a moment with someone. In a place like this, it would definitely help. and do something that you like. I like to paint, so I'm painting even if I'm not good at it, guys. It looks crazy, but anyhow. What do you have to say to my fellow people watching my channel, babe?
What's that?
What do you have to say to the people watching my channel? If you had to say something.
For them to keep believing in themselves. Work hard every day to achieve your dream. And don't listen to all the noise you see out you hearing outside, because pursuing your dream, work hard, stay humble, and most of all, believe in God.
Thank you. I just finished painting and it looks so beautiful outside. Now we're about to go do this little barbecue thingy. Guys, this house is so beautiful. It's really, really beautiful, guys. Shout out to our Airbnb host who was like whipping it up in the kitchen for us, barbecue style. Shout out to him, like he did such a good job and the food was so well seasoned. Like I wish you guys could smell this on through the screen. I really do.
What content do you shoot? Content?
Me?
What
At this point, the food was looking so good. I did not care what it would take for me to be able to eat all of it, guys. Obviously, I couldn't eat all of it, but again, it was so good. And shout out to the Airbnb host. He was such a great cook. Ah, Lord. The sweet potato looked like it was burnt, but guys, it was again very good. So part 2, you guys are gonna see the second day of our mini getaway trip, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like the video, and don't forget to put the bell on so you guys can be notified when I release another video. See you guys next time. Bye.